The biggest cycling mistake in 2026. Spending your money on the wrong half of your body. Let's look at jerseys. On paper, a $30 Decathlon Van Rysel and a $160 Rapha Pro Team look similar. But here's where buyers get tricked. You're paying for lighter fabric, 80 grams per meter versus 120, and pocket grip. But honestly, the jersey is just a billboard. The real performance difference is in your bib shorts. Compare a $40 Amazon Bailiff bib against a $200 ASOS Mil GT. The difference isn't just branding, it's the chamois pad. Cheap chamois foam permanently compresses after about 5 washes. That $200 ASOS pad is engineered to maintain its density for over 200 rides. That's the literal difference between a minor ache and saddle sores at mile 40. Here is the 80/20 rule I force my riding buddies to follow. Spend 80% of your budget on contact points. A $120 bib paired with a $50 jersey massively outperforms a $50 bib and a $120 jersey every single time. The sweet spot for 2026 sits right around $120. Bibs like the Pearl Izumi Attack or the $90 Caselli Entrada give you 90% of the comfort of premium tier options, but at half the price. Before you look at a premium jersey, look at your feet. Upgrading to a $15 cycling sock manages heat far better than spending $100 on your shirt. But there's a catch. The mistake most people make is ruining their $200 bibs with fabric softener. Softener coats the technical fibers, trapping bacteria and destroying the foam. Cold wash and line drying extends pad life by 3x. Buy $30 jerseys all day if your budget is tight. Treat your contact points like investments and your jerseys like accessories. Your undercarriage will absolutely thank you. Spend wisely and ride hard.